Hi, welcome to lesson 5 of GameXero. Today we'll be doing computer controlled characters. On screen right now you can see what the end result of our very simple game is going to look like. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is get hold of a picture of an asteroid. Here's a picture on my website which you can download for free, or of course you can create your own. So we're just going to go into Project, Add Existing Item, and there we go, I've already saved mine into the Game Content folder. Click Asteroid, and there we go, it's now in our Game Content. So what we need is, just like with our UFO, we need somewhere to keep that. So we're going to add a texture for our asteroid and also create a position for our asteroid. So there we go, Text 2D Asteroid Texture and Vector 2D Asteroid Position. So that's going to hold the image and where it is on screen. Now, just like before, we need to load our graphic in. So going on to UFO texture, I'm just going to be very lazy. I'm going to copy and paste that and just edit that to be asteroid instead. Asteroid and asteroid. Remember, we don't need to do the extension, so no .png. Okay, we can now come down into our update function. In update, we're going to move the character. Now, we're going to move it before we move our character using the keyboard. So that way later on we can check to see for collision. So for that, we're just going to simply add 5 to our Y position. So now if we press play, we should have nothing on screen because we've not told to draw the asteroid on screen yet. So let's scroll down to our draw function. And there we go, we've got begin, draw UFO, and end. So I'm just going to put an extra line in, make a bit of space. And then we're just going to write in the line, draw our asteroid. So now when we press play, we should see our asteroid on screen. There we go, and it's gone. What we need to do now is write some coding that's going to actually make it come back to the top where it gets to the bottom. So let's go into our update function again, and just after this we're going to say if asteroid position is greater than 800, so the bottom of the screen, and then we're going to do something about it. So anything we put inside these brackets, what will happen after we've typed in if. I'm just going to copy and paste my code and I'll talk through what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is create a random number, and then that random number is going to set the X of our asteroid to somewhere between the left hand side of the screen and the right hand side of the screen. And just like before, we're taking away the width of the asteroid to make sure that it stays where we can see it. Okay, if I press play now, we should get to the bottom, and there we go, it comes to the right a little bit. We seem to be moving over very slightly. Oh, there we go, it's a bit more random now. And that'll just keep on coming. So there we go, you've now got computer controlled characters. In the next episode, we'll start doing collision detection, so when we actually hit each other, it'll have some effect. See you then.